So this is the 2016 Leaving Cert Ordinary Level Paper 1, and we're looking at question number 3. Solve for x, and it says 3 times x minus 7 plus 5 times x minus 4 is equal to 15, where x is an element of the real set of numbers. Okay, so the first thing we can do is we can multiply the brackets out here. So we get 3 by x is 3x. 3 by minus 7 is minus 21. Then we have 5 times the x, which is 5x, and plus 5 times minus 4, which is minus 20. And that's equal to 15. So on the left here we've got 3x and 5x together, that becomes 8x. We're going to bring minus 21 over here, become plus 21, and the minus 20 over becomes plus 20. So we're left with 8x is equal to 15 plus 21 plus 20, which is 56. So if 8x is equal to 56, then x is 56 over 8, which is 7. Okay, part B says solve the equations below to find the value of A and the value of B. So we have two equations here with two unknowns in each, A and B here and A and B here. So we're going to have, this is simultaneous equations, so we're going to have to solve simultaneously. So what we could do here is rewrite the equations. So we have, the first equation is 4A plus 3B equals negative 3. Before I write the next one, I'm going to move this 2b over there. Becomes a negative 2b. And then I'm just going to write this backwards. So I'm going to have the a's first. So on the left I've got 5a, then I've got minus 2b, and that's equal to 25. So there's my two equations, one above the other. Now, if I want to eliminate either the a's or the b's, I have to make the coefficients of the a's or the b's the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the top line here by 2. So I'm going to multiply this top line by 2. And I'm going to multiply the bottom line here by 3. And what that's going to do, it's going to make the b coefficients the same. So 2 times 4a is 8a, 2 times 3b is 6b, and 2 times negative 3 on the other side is negative 6. The second line, 3 times 5a is 15a, 3 times minus 2b is minus 6b, and 3 times 25 over there is 75. So now I've got plus 6b and minus 6b. So if I have the signs the same, different, but the term is the same otherwise, so plus 6b minus 6b, I'm going to add now so that they eliminate. So 8a plus 15a gives me 23a, plus 6b plus minus 6b, they eliminate each other. And then I've got minus 6 plus 75 over here, which is 69. So 23a is equal to 69. That means that a is equal to 69 divided by 23, which is 3. So there's my answer for A. A is 3. So now if I want to find B, I'm going to substitute this value of A into one of these equations. So I'll just pick the top one. 4A plus 3B is negative 3. But we've just established that A is actually worth 3. So it's 4 3's plus 3B is equal to negative 3. So when we tidy up, that becomes 12 plus 3B is negative 3. If we bring this 12 over, becomes a negative, and we have have 3b is minus 15. So b will be equal to minus 15 divided by 3, which is minus 5. So there we have our answer. A is 3 and B is minus 5. Okay, and finally part C. It says list all the values of x that satisfy the inequality 2 bracket 2x minus 3 plus 6x is less than 25, where x is an element of the set of natural numbers. So the natural numbers are the counting numbers beginning at 1, whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So the first thing we're going to do is work on this here on the left. 2 by 2x is 4x, and 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. So we still have plus 6x then, and we're saying that's less than 25. So tidying up here, we have 4x, 6x together, that gives 10x. This minus 6 we can bring over to the other side to become plus 6. So we have 10x is less than 31. 25 and 6 is 31. So that implies x is less than 31 over 10, dividing both sides by 10. So x is less than 31 over 10, which is 3.1 on your calculator. Now, so if x is less than 3.1, but x must be an element of the set of natural numbers, that means x must be either the number 1, 2, or 3, because those numbers are all less than 3.1 and they're all natural numbers. So that's the end of question 3.